A long time ago, I introduced you to the concept of fear doors.
Fear doors.
Yeah, and you've kind of taken that and run with it.
Yeah, it kind of helps me. Imagine the door instead behind that. So like in front of that door, you're scared of something, but behind that door, it's actually really fun. It enters a new world. Like putting my whole head underwater was kind of scary, but I didn't do it until I was 5.5. So was getting my ears pierced.
Getting your ears pierced.
Yeah.
So both of those were big fear doors for you. And you're saying,
Yeah.
so a fear
I had
door.
to wait a little bit before I did them. They were really big ones because I'd never done it before and I was afraid it was gonna maybe hurt. But with the swimming pool, it was much funner after I had done it
So,
that day.
okay, so you're saying a fear door
It's
is,
like a door.
okay, and it looks scary.
Yeah, it's like imagine there's how do I explain this? Like imagine there's something that you're afraid of and you don't want to even touch that door. You're stepping back, but then finally one day you're like, I want to do this so I can swim with otters or dolphins. And finally you're just like, I'm not. You take the key. You had the key, of course. And then unlock it and the door swings open and you walk through and then you do it and you can do whatever you were afraid of and then you're never afraid of it again.
Wow, okay, I like that. So you talked about some of the places you've done that. If someone is facing a fear door and they know there's something good behind it.
Yeah, they know that if they open that thing, you will be able to do this and you'll never be scared again.
How do you help somebody to open that fear door? What would you tell them?
You can take as long as you want, but if you opened it, there would be a whole new world behind it, and it would be really fun.
So thinking of what's there helps you.
Yeah, because I've opened it before, and I'm like, I know, but what's behind there? Their mind thinks. I just remembered such a good way to explain this.
Oh, good.
Should I say it?
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and explain it?
And this is what I did with my getting my ears pierced. Imagine your
With
heart.
your ears pierced?
Yeah.
Okay.
Imagine your heart and your brain.
Okay.
We're having a race together.
You're having a race together, okay?
And your brain thought, oh, I'm really scared of this. I know I'm going to win the race. But your heart actually knows that something is really fun behind there. It knows that it actually won't hurt, or it actually will be okay to go through it. It's not like you don't know how to swim, but you got bucked into the ocean or something like that. It's more like you're just afraid of something. Yeah.
Mind and the heart.
But the heart actually wins the race. And the mind it thought it would be the key to not open that door ever again. But your heart knew that nothing was scary behind it.
Let me see if I have it straight.
Like
So,
when I got my ear pierced,
yes.
my brain was really
scared.
Yeah, I was stepping back away from that door.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, tell me if I have this straight. Fear door, looks scary. You know there's something amazing behind it. And what you do is you realize that your mind and your heart are in a race, and that your mind is going to be telling stories. Oh, this is going to be horrible. Ooh. But your heart knows what's behind there. And so you just choose to listen to your heart. Is that kind of what you're saying?
Like your heart knows it, but your brain is way ahead, so you actually you're not listening. You can't hear your heart until you actually do it. You can't hear your heart until you do it.
Thank you, Maribel. Thanks for watching.
If you would like to help me and my family make these videos, You can become a patron on Patreon or PayPal. Thank you.